Ever wondered what it takes to secure a digital nomad visa? The intricacies of the process can seem daunting, yet with the right guidance, it transforms into a manageable task. Today, we delve into the world of digital nomadism, and more importantly, the path to obtaining that coveted digital nomad visa. Step 1. Research. The first step in any major undertaking involves gathering information. The world of digital nomad visas is no different. Understand the requirements of different countries. Some nations offer digital nomad visas explicitly, while others have freelance or self-employment visas that could work for digital nomads. Countries like Estonia, Barbados, and Portugal have specific digital nomad visas. It's crucial to understand what each country requires and what benefits they offer. Step 2. Decide on a destination. Once armed with the right information, the next step involves deciding where to apply. This decision should hinge on factors such as the cost of living, climate, lifestyle, and the specific visa requirements of the countries you're considering. Step 3. Gather the necessary documents. After choosing your destination, the next task involves gathering the necessary documents. Typically, this includes your passport, proof of sufficient funds, travel insurance documents, and proof of ongoing work or contracts. Always double-check the specific requirements for your chosen country. Step 4. Apply. Now comes the moment of truth, applying for the visa. This step often involves filling out an application form, submitting your documents, and paying an application fee. Some countries allow online applications, while others might require an in-person visit to the embassy or consulate. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, it's time to wait. The processing times vary depending on the country and the time of year. It could take anywhere from a few days to a few months. Patience, as they say, is a virtue. Step 6. Plan your move. Once you receive your visa approval, it's time to plan your move. This includes booking flights, securing accommodations, and tying up any loose ends at home. Remember, moving to a new country is a big step. Plan accordingly. In summary, obtaining a digital nomad visa involves a systematic process. Start with thorough research, decide on a destination, gather the required documents, submit your application, wait for approval, and then plan your move. Remember, preparation is vital. Ensure you have all the necessary documents before applying. Be patient during the waiting period, and once approved, ensure you plan your move meticulously. Embrace the journey of becoming a digital nomad. The world is your oyster, and your digital nomad visa is your ticket to explore it. Happy travels!